Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. I was going to make this a short. This is the wife's car. But figured we'll just hop right into it. I'm going to try to literally make this one continuous video to where there's no cutouts for you. Battery's dead. Wife went to an event yesterday and said basically that the car wasn't starting. She didn't know why. You know, typical response. And obviously when you press the key, nothing happens. So I'll show you guys what that looks like real quick, just if you're diagnosing what it looks like and you're unsure. So let me show you that. So this thing does got some miles on it, but anyway, press the key. Obviously I have the key in here. It's a push button. I don't know how well you guys can hear that, but obviously not starting. So that's a tall tale sign. It's not always your battery, but 9 out of 10 times it's gonna be your battery. Tools required. Let me get out of this real quick. Ugh. Tight squeeze in the driveway. I don't know why I parked so close. Anyway, ratchet. I'm gonna use a little impact driver, 10mm. See if I can set this camera up here and just talk to you guys. Actually, I can't because there's not room. So walk you through here. This is going to save you guys from going to the dealer or Advance Auto and dealing with them. Got a 10mm right here. I've already broke loose. 10mm right here. I'm going to go ahead and loosen this one. Pull the negative off. Slide. Flip this cover up right here. Got which one is it that's holding this thing tight here? I believe it's this one. And then I'm going to be able to lift this out, remove the bar here, and then should be able to slide the battery out. So if I run into anything different than that, I will update the video. And there's the other battery. Do not crucify me for leaving it on the ground. It'll be okay for 5 minutes, I promise. Literally exactly what I said, guys. So take these off. I'm trying to set this camera up, but there's not room here. But anyway, it's this bolt you're gonna loosen. This one's obviously to your ground. Back here on the positive, it's this bolt you're gonna loosen. I thought I was gonna have to disconnect this, but you can actually lift up enough on this to get it out of the way. So let me go ahead, toss the battery in, hook it back up, show you. Last thing real quick before I finish up this install and show you guys the start. Remove these covers before you put the battery in. I think that's pretty self-explanatory, but I've always been told to understand your audience. So remove them. I'm gonna have to pull this up out of the way. I probably should have removed that before I put it in, but remove the covers. These are covers. You need to have a bare terminal. So anyway, let me get into that. I'm gonna continue this video. When these are tight here, guys, do not snug the battery to where you're pinching the battery and explode one of the cells. Tighten this, put the battery back in, get in your car. Hang on, buddy. I just can hear being a dad. Get in your car. Oh, press the button. You got an exploder that starts again.